Hello, everyone. In this particular session, we are going to address your apprehension, your worry about CAT 2019, and that is whether you have enough time in hand starting today and whether you will be able to crack CAT in the next few weeks' time, which is there in your hand. Most importantly, if you have been scoring low in mock tests or you are going to start your preparation now from scratch. And the answer is yes, it is possible to crack CAT 2019 in 70 days. You may be starting late, you may be scoring low in mocks, or you may have not studied anything so far in last few months, but you have good enough time in hand, 70 days with proper preparation for as per a certain strategically formulated study plan and motivation from your mentors and availability of mentors to help you clear your doubts is going to ensure that you are clearing the exam in 70 days time. And when I say clear, I mean you are scoring at least 98 plus percentile in the actual examination in the remaining time. All you need is the trust on yourself, confidence on yourself, follow a proper plan, stick to it, stay determined, stay positive, and focus on right areas. You should be investing your time very, very smartly on only those topics which are going to have a very high weightage in the examination. So if you invest your time smartly, you have enough time in hand to score 50% marks in CAT 2019, which will translate to approximately 98 plus percentile. And if you would see the chart on this particular screen, you will see that you don't need lot many marks to get into the 99 plus range as well. Just a 60% marks would lead you to 99 plus percentile. When I say in 60%, it is after removing your negative marks. That is, your net marks should be in the range of 60% and you will be in the 99 plus percentile bracket. So 70 days, 60% marks is what your target is, and this is a very, very, very achievable target, and it can ensure that you are clearing your sectional as well as the overall cutoff required for the top IMs. And how are you going to do this? We have this special CAT crash course formulated specifically for those people who have been scoring low in mock tests or they are starting their preparation just now. It's a splendid combination of pre-recorded videos, intense live workshops, test series, and special sectional tests designed only in the way which allows you to invest your time very, very wisely on the right areas of all the three sections so that you can emerge victorious on the D-Day. And some of the past results of this course includes 310 plus calls for IM ABC and XRI last year, 640 plus calls for other IMs and FMS, and 361 plus students scoring 95 plus percentile through CAT crash course. So if you are interested, if you believe that you can do it, if you have that confidence in you that you will put all the efforts, if you get the right guidance, then do not wait and WhatsApp us at the number written on the screen for more details about CAT crash course. And how is this going to work? It's going to work in a three-step process. First process is where you will be getting videos for all the basic concept clarity which you require. These videos will cover all the concepts from basics to advanced level to past year questions to shortcuts and everything. Then you will have advanced live workshop. These will be the live online sessions which will be 14 number conducted with the help of past year questions so that your focus is strictly on CAT level questions and you are not solving questions which are required to do PhD in maths or PhD in English. You are not required to do PhD in any of the three sections in the actual examination. You should just know what it takes and how to solve a CAT question to get it correct with 90% accuracy and around 80% attempt in the examination. That is what these advanced workshops will take you to. And then regular evaluations and discussion with your mentor. Mentors would help you to analyze your mock test performance. They will help you to identify the gap areas and give you an action plan so that you can work on in order to increase your score. Remember, when 70 days are in hand, number of mock tests you are going to take is not going to matter. What is going to matter is how you utilize those mock tests to continuously improve your score. And that is where the personal mentorship and the personal guidance over your mock analysis is going to help you. So that is why this is a very foolproof three-step process which led to splendid results last year, and we hope and we are confident that we can produce the same results in CAT 2019. All we need is determination and focus and readiness to put efforts from your side, and rest we would give you the right set of guidance which you need to have to ace CAT 2019 in next 70 days to emerge as a winner and to have the last laugh when CAT results are out. So be ready for having the last laugh on the CAT result day for all the success that awaits you. And yes, to stay tuned with lot more videos, do hit the bell icon on the top right hand side, and do not forget to download Career MBA app today from Play Store and access free videos and articles. Thank you everyone. We wish you all the best for CAT 2019. Let us do it. Is Sal MBA Fateh.